Hi everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the weird angle. I only have my little tabletop tripod, so it's a little weird, but I have been doing a little decluttering here and there, and I just really need to do another one. I've bought a lot of makeup recently and plan to buy more with this Sephora sale. So I went to iMat, so you'll be hopefully seeing a haul on that soon. Sorry I haven't posted in forever. I know I keep saying that. Sometimes I'll film a video and just never uploaded it and edited it. Just been so busy this semester, but I really hope to do more over the summer. And be more regular for you guys. So anyway, I will show you. I went through some of my primers. I still have a lot, as you can see, but I do just want to go through what I decided to get rid of. So I'm getting rid of this Mirabella this primer. It's for face and eyes. I've never used it. I also went through some lipsticks. This is 14 Rose Hip by Milani. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I don't really need that much help with my pores. Or mattifying primers, so I only need one of each. I'm getting rid of the Cover FX mattifying primer. If any of my friends or family are watching, let me know if you're interested in any of these. Some of them I haven't really even used, especially the primers. This is Wet n Wild Ferguson Crest Cabernet A014. This is really pretty, and I do like that formula, but I have so many other colors like it. It's the Makeup Forever Step 1 Smoothing Primer. I believe I already have one of these. I love the Makeup Forever primers. This is, got this abroad, Deborah Milano 14 lip color. Also, sorry if it's dark, I am filming this at night. This is the Makeup Revolution. It came in their little 12 Days of Beauty. It doesn't have a shade, but there's what it looks like. Getting rid of the Bare Minerals Blemish Remedy Mattifying Prime Gel. This would be really good for someone with acne. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick in Magenta. Okay, sorry guys, my my battery died and I have a little blanket now. But anyway, I think I was talking about this Smashbox. I think that's in focus now. I did do a little indicator, which helped, but I still don't use it. It's just not a color I wear anymore. It's Be Legendary Lipstick in Magenta Matte. I did also just go through some lip products. A lot I had gotten from Alta, and this was one of just their, free with $75 purchase. It was a ton of like lip stuff. So one of them was the Laura Mercier Lip Glacé and Baby Doll. It's actually really pretty, but I just know I just won't wear it, just solely based on the scent. This is Milani Sangria. Milani's lipsticks are pretty good for the drugstore, but I just have another color like this, and I just wasn't getting wear out of it. I'm going to pass on the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. I think I just got that in a sample of some sort. I'm going to pass on the Ulta Beauty Flushed Pink. It actually was a pretty good formula, but it just has a little shimmer to it and I just won't use it. I don't like plumping things, if you didn't know that about me. This is the Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap & Glory Pillow Plump Lip Gloss in Pinkwell. I actually hear these are pretty good if you do like that kind of a formula, but I don't. I'm going to pass on the NYX Whipped, in Pink Cloud. I don't like the scent and I didn't like the color. Okay, I already had the Smashbox Photo Finish. I also do want to try the one I have to see, if I can get rid of it. Sorry if a lot of this is out of focus there. I don't know why it's so hard to focus. Passing on the That Gal Brightening Face Primer. I actually think I'm going to throw this out because it is quite old. I'm going to pass on the Boscia Perfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. This actually sounds pretty cool, but again, I just don't need a mattifying primer. I might use one a couple times in the summer, but that's really it. And I had another one of this Smashbox. I had 3, must have gotten them as samples. So that is that. I still, like I said, do have a ton of primers in here, but I'm just going to try to hopefully use them now that I've gotten rid of a lot of them, and keep getting rid of the ones that don't work for me. I'm trying to think what else I can go through. it's probably going to be a drawer you can't see, so I'll have to take it out. I guess I can go through some highlighters because I just have way too many, way too many highlighters. So, drawer sitting on my lap. Again, I know it's not the best angle, but this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured Cream in Opal. I honestly feel like I used this once. I mean, it is pretty. I don't use creams that much, but I'm gonna hang on to this. I don't know if this is gonna be successful, guys. I might just have to take this part out. This is the Becca Light Chaser Highlighter for Face and Eye, Pearl Flashes Gold. I actually honestly don't like this formula as much as their real one, or their traditional one, but this is really pretty. God, okay, this is going nowhere, I can tell. Oh boy, I'm in trouble. It's Revolution Baked Highlighter and Flash. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. Whew. It just has like kind of this greeny yellow, and then I had to build it up even in a swatch, so I just won't use that. Oh, this Milk Makeup in Lit. That's actually super pretty. I should use that more often. Okay, this is really pretty. This is again the Revolution. It was in a set of mine. This is the Revolution Strobe Balm in Rose Gold. It's super pretty. It's this right here, and I could use it, I was just thinking, as a blush topper, but it's just so dark. I'm not going to use that, so I'll pass that along. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight in Champagne Gold. It's just too gold. I'm not going to use that. I love those, but I don't wear liquid highlighters a lot, so that can go. Okay, I'm going to pass along this Revolution Liquid Highlighter. Doesn't have a shade. It's just a little glittery. I have two opals from Becca, so I'm going to get rid of that one, just one of them. Some of these are so pretty and I just don't use them. Okay, this is pretty, but I'm not going to use it. I don't know if you can tell, it's this bright purple. It's the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter, Mega Glow Liquid Highlighter in 303A Holographic. Again, it's pretty, I'm just not going to use it. Okay, that wasn't super successful, but hey, it was something. It was like a handful. And also, a lot of these are my favorites that I have here, so. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this Benefit Dandelion Dew Soft Baby Pink Radiance for Cheeks. Again, I just don't use liquid or cream products that much. I'm going to get rid of this Clinique Fresh Blossom 3 Almond Blossom. I got this in a sample, or as a sample, so I'm going to even pay for it. This Cargo Bali water resistant blush. It's cool, it's water resistant, but I'm just never going to use it. Remember when everyone was talking about this Becca Gypsy blush? That's okay, I'll keep it for now. I'm going to get rid of these e.l.f. blushes. I kept them long enough. I have Candid Coral, Peachy Keen, and Pink Passion. So those are those. I think there are a lot of other great blushes from the drugstore. So yeah. Okay, again, that wasn't a lot, but hey, it was something. Gotta give myself credit where I can. I have to go through my blushes, or not, excuse me, not my blushes, my concealers and foundations, but I'm kind of just going through that as I've been trying to use them and then decide from there. Goodness, what else? What else? Here's a big one. I think I'm going to get rid of the MAC Strobe Liquid Lotion. I just never use it, and I know someone else could get a lot more use out of it. So yeah, I think I will leave it there, everyone. My legs were hurting from sitting down cross-legged like that, but hope that was enjoyable. I know it was a horrible angle, bad lighting, and not that exciting, but still hope you enjoyed it anyway. It was good for me. Like I said, I have been kind of just decluttering here and there along the way. I think when I go home, I left some of the products at home. Of course, I don't use it as much, so those might be more the ones that I should be decluttering. So hopefully I'll be able to do some declutters when I'm home. I also know I need to go through my lip products again. Sigh, I love lip products. But anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.